so I'm going to show you guys 9632. This is a family veranda room, so let's go and check it out. First off, this is where you have to put your key because it turns on all your lights. Alrighty, so we're gonna walk in. Alrighty, so on this side you have your closet, which is perfect. You even have a safe down here. Let's see if you guys can see that. It's a little safe. Okay, there's your life vests. Then here's the second one. This is your ladder for the bunk beds. Alrighty, then you have a split bathroom. So here's this one. This one has your toilet in it. And then on this one, it has your shower. Hi. And it has a circle tub. The Wish has a regular one, and a couple others do too. But the Fantasy and I think the Dream, a lot of rooms have the circle tub, which I actually like. And then you have a full-length mirror, so then you can get ready and see your outfit and stuff, which I really like. I think it's nice. Okay. Then onto the main room. Here is your connecting door. That is a connecting room. Then you have some little hooks, which are really helpful for lanyards, bags, all of that. Alrighty, so here's the main room. You have a bed, some drawers, and these are like the little outlets you have. Then coming in over here, oh, you have a phone too. Coming over here, you have the fold-out couch. So it does fold down, so you can have one person there. And then this is the bunk bed. They will come in at night and they will take that down, and it will turn into basically a bunk bed. And then the ladder that was in the closet will go on it. Also, this bed does pull down, and it will just come like pretty much right here. Have a little table, and then this is like really long. Okay, so here is the fridge. It's just a miniature fridge, so you can kind of just keep a couple little things in there if you want. They're moving stuff outside, so it's loud. Then there's your remote, got a couple drawers, your TV. A great place to do your makeup. This room is really big. I don't know if I've ever had a room like this. It's really nice though. Some more drawers and things like that. Oh, and you have a hair dryer in here too. And then this is for like your curling irons and all of that. More storage. You got 2 little cups, which is perfect. Alrighty, and so now on to the best part, the veranda. Let's go and check it out. Oh, and you can lock it up here using this in case you have like children or something like that and you don't want them to get out. Alrighty, and here's the veranda. It comes with 2 chairs and a little table. Okay, so that is a room tour of 9632, and if you want to see more of my adventures, then follow along down below. Bye guys!